Hey, what's up, tube? Anyway, I look a little different. Yeah, it's getting nicer out. So, we're gonna take the car out today. Corbeau contacted me about the seat, so we'll dip into that a little bit. I got the tires getting a little low, so I'm putting some air in the tire. Fill it up with some gas with these prices, kind of a flex. But yeah. We got a few little things. This video is probably going to be a short, which is fine. Just basically a little update on what's going on. And thanks to Corbeau, let's get into it. Yeah. We still got to get this wrap figured out. And I think it's this side. No, it's this side. I think it's this side. The tire it's just getting a little low. I mean, for sitting all winter, it's not too bad, but running 19s with a low pro like that, it sucks, man. So we're going to fill that up. And Corbeau, I got off the phone with them. They contacted me. They saw the video of the YouTube where the seat was broken. And basically down here, we're going to tear this apart. And they're sending me a new mechanism for free. So I told them I don't really want to get new seats or buy as a pair. Because most of the seats, if you buy them, usually come as a pair. I didn't want to do that, so I called them to see if they just had this one driver seat. And they said, well, we could do that, or you can buy a new set, a whole new pair. But listen, I'm trying to save a little money. I could go that route, but I just wanted to see what they would say. But they said, listen, we've seen your channel. We know who you are, whatnot. So we're going to send you this mechanism for free. Not to worry about it. All I had to do is basically give them my address. So thanks to those guys a lot for doing that. It means a lot to me because I do love these seats. I did a review on these seats. It's also on my YouTube channel if you guys want to check that out. These are the LG1 wides, cloth. I could have went leather, but it's cloth. I figure with leather in the summer up here, it gets hot and you get in, you get the point. The back are still leather. I got the baby seat over there. But it's getting nicer out. So we're going to rip it out. Like I said, put some gas in this thing. And fix that tire over there. I don't want it to go fully flat. And saying today is like a really good day. We're going to get a few things accomplished. And I can't wait to get this in. They're shipping it out as we speak. So literally, they Instagrammed me, got on it right away, called them back. And everything was really fast. I mean, these guys are awesome. I don't want to swear, but they helped me out a lot. So we're going to get that done. And didn't cost me anything, so that's a bang. And the front bumper, obviously we have to wrap that. So these are things that still need to be done. I've been kind of held up with work and the kids and my wife's schedule, so it's not always easy to do these things, which is fine. Sometimes things come first. But we have a great summer coming for you guys. Hopefully you guys can stay tuned. Oh yeah, the hood's gone. Not this hood, but the cowl hood is gone. It is officially sold. Travis picked it up from Iowa, so thanks to Travis for picking up the hood. I know he enjoys it. He already has it on his car, and his car is still in the works of being done. So he's got, I think it's an on-3 turbo kit or twin turbo. I'm not 100% sure, but I know the car is getting worked on. It's close to being finished, and he's the one that has my collar hood now. I'll get a picture of it right here so you guys can check that out. And then, what else? Maybe eventually this summer, we're going to look for a new hood for, to replace this one. I'm not sure who would want this hood. Hopefully locally, because I'm not trying to ship this bitch. And, yeah. Or I might just rock this all summer. I think I might just rock it all summer. We'll see how it goes. But I am going to do a video on breaking down how to fix that driver's seat. I remember in the last video I said I was going to do it. We're going to do it. So I'm going to do a video on how to fix your seat like that with a mechanism. Should be pretty straightforward. I mean, even if you're not really mechanically inclined, should be pretty good. So, but yeah, thanks guys for tuning in. Catch you on the next one. Thank you.